my foundation on. I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm not liking it, if I'm being honest. My Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and my eyebrows, and that's it. So we're gonna jump into the Jaclyn Hill palette right now. I'm thinking of doing like a halo look. Why not? I have 2 tutorials with this palette already, and where are my brushes? Oh my goodness. And I figured I would do just another one, and also somebody did request it. Let me find it on my latest video. Hold on, please hold. Suzanne Levesky. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but she said, love these videos. Please, can you make one for the Jaclyn Hill palette, please? So girl, this is for you. And I know a couple other people have also asked. Look, Maria Ali and Jaclyn Hill palette. She wanted me to do the Jaclyn Hill palette. So a couple people did ask for this. So that's what we're doing today. Starting off with, I have to say this palette does have really nice transition. Whoa, I just dug my finger in the black. Lovely. Really, really nice transition color. So I'm going in with this one right here, this third one. As always with transition colors, going in the crease. Let me make sure, let me zoom you guys in a little bit, and let me make sure you guys are in focus. Just going back and forth. This is my Sigma E40. I love this freaking brush. And actually back to this palette. This is a beautiful palette. Like, I know a lot of, I don't know why Jaclyn gets so much hate, but she does. She really does, and I feel so bad for her. But for all the people that don't like her, I don't care what you guys say, this is a beautiful palette. And the formula is great. The colors are beautiful. Like, she did a great job. So that's all I'm saying. So pretty. Now I'm gonna lightly use this color right here. I'm gonna start creating that halo effect. So going in to the crease, the outer V, and also the inner corner. I'm gonna go back into the first shade that I used, the third color on the top, and just blend out the edges. I want to have a nice gradient, so you're probably gonna see me do this a lot. Just want to make sure I have a nice gradient and nothing looks too dark up there, you know what I mean? So I'm going to continue to build up the outer portion and the inner portion. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this pretty like cranberry color kind of shade, and this is just like an e.l.f. eye crease brush. I don't even know if they sell this, if I'm being honest, but I'm just putting it right here in the outer V. I'm gonna bring it up into the crease. I'm in like the biggest rush right now, and of course I pick not an easy eye look today. I'm gonna put on false lashes. I'm gonna do wing eyeliner. Like, what am I thinking? Then again, like every time I film, I'm never not in a rush. Like, there's it's usually just someone waiting on me, that's it. And like you know, someone's either waiting on me, I have to go somewhere. It's just getting late at night. Like when I film after work, it just gets late, and I know I have to wake up super early in the morning, so I'm like kind of rushing myself, and which sucks because then I can tell that I'm rushing in my videos, and then I'm like, I take pride in my videos, and although some of them aren't the best videos, I still, you know, I'm still comfortable with putting them up. But sometimes I'm just like, I never get to film, and the time that I do film, like, I want to be able to produce good quality videos. And just sometimes I just can't, and I'm just like always on a time limit. This is a I just want to say, and if you are a YouTuber, then you know this, and if you're also a YouTuber that has a full-time job, like if this is just your hobby, this is a very hard hobby to keep up with, you know what I mean? Like, you have to be consistent, and you have to, you know, want to do this. And for me, I love it. If I could film every single day, you know I would. It's just, it's too hard for me, you know? And for me, like, I don't like filming when somebody's in the room with me. Well, number one, when I film in this apartment, I take up the whole entire apartment. So literally not even another person could fit in this apartment when I'm filming. But I just, you know, I don't like filming with other people here, and I like to be alone, and I like to do my own thing, but it's very, 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 very hard. Okay, so I'm actually gonna deepen this up a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Where's my little brush? E36. I'm gonna mix this chocolatey color with this red color here. On a different note, how is everybody's Christmas shopping going? I started off strong and now I'm like, I don't feel like I have any gifts. So I do need to do like a shopping day one day soon. I want to go like on a weekday so it's not so packed wherever I go. Going back in with my first blending transition color, and of course, as you guys know, blending the crap out of everything that I just did. As always, it looks like crap, but it will come together. Let's do the middle portion of my lids. I am going to do this really pretty gold shade in the palette right here. I might lighten it up with another, like one of the lighter colors, but for now, let's start off with this color. Using the Too Faced Hangover RX spray. Spraying it up because I need this to be popping. Need this to pop on my middle portion of my lid. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. I feel like this is so like holiday. Whoops. It's like a good little look if you were going to like a holiday party for sure. I'm dying to get a new lens. I'm just gonna buy one for crying out loud. I'm like, I still use the kit lens from, this is the Canon T5i. Canon Rebel T5i. Wow, this color. Guys, this is the second color in the palette, one of the light colors. Damn, that is pretty. Wow. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna take my E25 with a little bit of that medium color that I used, the second like blending shade. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of blend out. Ooh, yeah, this is looking really, really good. I am obsessed with this. Yes, so glad this worked out. I'm just gonna build it up a little bit. Because now that it's blended out, I could just concentrate it right there in the middle, and it looks good. I'm gonna take the two darker. I'm gonna take the two darker colors that I used, that I mixed. Just make sure I go over this. The one thing that this palette is missing, and I feel like I've said this before, it's a good matte cream, like cream meaning like a cream color, like vanilla shade to highlight the eyebrow. The lightest shade in this palette is a bit shimmery. I took a little bit of it with this big brush. I don't even know why I'm using this brush. Put it right underneath my eyebrow. I just wish it was matte, honestly, but this does the job. This is okay. Now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Concealer. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Really quickly. I'm really, really liking this eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and do a wing, and then I will set my concealer. Blah, sorry about that. Wings aren't completely even, but as you guys know, I'm in a rush and I don't have time. So I'm setting my under eyes with the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. Okay, so let's finish up this lower lash line. I am going to use, what do I want to use? I think I'm going to use the dark burgundy right here. I'm gonna put that on the outer third of my lower lash line. Highlight my inner corner with the second shade, that light shade in the palette that I use to put over the inner portion of my lid. Wow, that is a beautiful shade, man. Like, it's just so perfect. She did an amazing job. I'm also putting it right there at the arch. Ooh, really pretty. I'm gonna blend out my lower lash line with my transition color, the first one that I used, third one in the palette. I'm not a good lower lash line person. Putting these on, these are the Ardell Foam Mink Lashes 817s. I got these at TJ Maxx for $4.99, which is pretty expensive. What was I thinking? I don't know. But I'm gonna pop them on. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. I will meet you back. I'll meet you guys back here. I'll show you the eyes. I'll finish up my face, and then I'll see you later. Lashes are on. I love these lashes. Number one, I'm kind of upset I didn't get like a multi-pack. These are amazing. They look so pretty. Oh my god, I love the eyeshadow, guys. I'm in such a rush, and I thought this was gonna turn out horribly, but I am in love with this halo look. So I'm gonna finish up my face really quickly. I'll let you guys know what I use down below, but let me hurry up and I will be right back. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, what? Alright guys, so I just finished up the face. I do have to admit, I'm not loving this Fenty Beauty foundation. It just looks really makeup-y, and I personally do not, like, I can't stand that look. And I know that's horrible because I am wearing makeup, you know, it's very hard not to look makeup-y, but this I feel like just looks very makeup-y on my skin. Again, this is my first time using it. It's just a first impression. I will continue to try it out. But the whole time I was doing my face, I was like, these eyes, this is the perfect holiday look. Like, I am gonna recreate this look for sure for a holiday party. The lashes, I hope you can find those lashes either on their website, on Amazon, maybe even at Walgreens. Like I said, I found it at TJ Maxx, and I don't like wearing false lashes out ever. These I would wear out. They're just so freaking pretty. I love it. And overall, I just feel like it's a good holiday look because it's like a glam eye. I did a nude lip because I personally don't like red lipstick. I have very little lips, and I feel like if I wear red lipstick, I just look very off. So I love the combo. Just in case you guys are curious, I used Kylie's Exposed. I think it's really pretty. I just love it. I wish I would have done a full face, but I think that's all I have to say. I've been rambling. I hope you're enjoying Graham over here. He's just non-stop, and right now he's quiet, so I'm like, all right, you can stay in my background, no problem, buddy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. More throwback videos. If you want me to do another palette with this, I will do it. I really appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Graham, say bye. Graham. Oh. Bye. Good job. Good job.